I have 10 outfits to show you. They're super cute, I've had them for a while, and you need to help me pick which one to wear for Mother's Day. So let's get started. Just kick the camera, whoops. Let's get started right now. The first outfit is this super cute cottagecore shirt and corset. The corset just wraps around right here, and then it has some straps right here. The sleeves are puffy, and they can go like this, or they could go down like this. So I don't know, tell me in the comments below which one do you prefer, up or down. And this is outfit number 1. So for your voting, if you like this outfit the best out of all 10, then put it in the comments below. Let's go ahead and jump into the next outfit. And this is the next outfit. It is a cute little romper. It is kind of short and a little revealing, but in the summer it's going to be absolutely wonderful. So this is outfit number 2. If this is your favorite outfit, be sure to vote in the comments below. Now let's check out outfit number 3. Next up we have this super cute romper. It is from head to toe. It has a little belt on it right here. I will turn to show you the back. Little collar. It is actually one of my favorites, so if it is your favorite, go ahead and vote in the comments below, and this is outfit number 3. So, I got really obsessed with jumpers for a while, or play suits, or rompers, or whatever you want to call them. This is another denim one that I've had for some time now. I absolutely love it, and if I could wear it every single day, I probably would, along with the other denim one that I just showed you. So let me show you the back. If this is one of your favorite outfits, vote for it in the comments below. Let's check out the next romper. This is outfit number 5. It is a cute little romper. Like I said, I became obsessed, and I still am, but with the current house situation, I don't know if you've seen my Victorian house videos, I encourage you to check out the playlist. I will link it at the end screen and in the description below. My next few fashion videos are going to be things that I already have, but I'm trying to decide like what to wear for what event. So I really need your help in picking these outfits because I am obsessed with clothes and I just need to know which looks the best. So please help me out with this. This one right here is this romper. It is kind of short, but since it's a romper, I think that's okay. Also, I made my necklace, and I made the necklace in the last video as well. So if you would like a free necklace, be sure to join my channel to find out how you could win one. In addition, joining my channel will allow you to have a session with me and anybody else who joins the channel every first Saturday of the month, and we will do a live stream. So if you're interested in that, be sure to join. So let's go ahead and get back to the next outfit. And this is outfit number 6. And my light just went out, and I don't have any more batteries for it. Alright, well that's cool. Let me turn on another light. Whoa. Alright. Oh, that's bad lighting. Bad lighting. Outfit number 6. Oh, fuck that. So, my ring light batteries just went dead, and I had to move up to the living room with I can't do my little haul in the living room. So this is part 1 of 2. I would still appreciate your voting on the 5 outfits that I did show you, and I will show you the rest in part 2. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you haven't seen my Victorian house series, be sure to watch that, and if I said that already, I'm sorry. If you want to subscribe, you will make sure to keep. If you enjoyed this video and got this far, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It'll really help my channel. In addition, please be sure to subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any more fun and amazing content. So I will see you in the next video, and I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. Peace out. So the first outfit is this cute, look at the camera.